Hey everyone! Welcome to this short and simple video where we explain what an API is in just 3 minutes. So, if you've ever wondered how different apps and software talk to each other, then APIs are what make that possible. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of how APIs work and why they're so important. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Simply put, it's like a messenger that takes a request, tells a system what you want to do, and then returns the response. Think of it as a waiter in a restaurant. You give your order to the waiter, the API. They tell the kitchen, the server, what you want, and then they bring the food, the data, back to you. APIs allow different programs to communicate with each other, even if they're built differently. APIs are used everywhere. Ever noticed how Google Maps is integrated into apps like Uber? That's because Uber uses Google's Maps API. When you see Twitter feeds inside another website or app, it's the Twitter API at work. Even when you check the weather on your phone, it's an API that pulls real-time data from a weather service. Here's how it works. First, you send a request. This is like asking for information or performing an action. Say, retrieving the latest news. Then, the API processes this request by connecting to the server. The server does its job, and the API sends the response back to your app, displaying what you asked for. APIs are what keep apps running smoothly without you ever knowing they're working in the background. APIs are essential because they help developers build apps faster and integrate services easily. They save time, ensure security, and provide flexibility by allowing apps to interact with other platforms and services. Without APIs, our digital world wouldn't be as connected or functional as it is today. And that's the basics of APIs in under 3 minutes. I hope this helped you understand how they work. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech content. Thanks for watching.